Welcome. I watched 3 YouTube videos about soldering and this is what I learned. Do not use this so wide heating element, use something smaller just because to reduce the heat. Do not use regular wire and flux, use wire with flux in it, it's much more easier. Use this, and this is metal brush. It's meant to clean this hot part of the welding gun, soldering gun. And one easy step how to make holder for this metal brush, metal can. And here we go, it's ready. Very easy to use and very cheap to make. Okay, this is result when I haven't watched these YouTube videos and it's not so pretty, it's pretty much awful. Let's try and make something very similar but on these plates and with stuff that I learned. Okay, these two I do not cut wires and try to solder it in, but here I cut the wire, and where I cut the wire this place is more smoother, so I think I will do the same for these two ones. Also make a little bit wider gap. Okay, great. So far here. It's not super perfect, but it's definitely better than here. And also it's going much more smoother. But one thing, I don't know how to connect now all these dots. Maybe I need to watch another 3 YouTube videos. But I will try to do it with this wire just to solder it everywhere. So pretty much it is it. Okay, this is result after watching the video. This was the result before watching the video. Yes, this side looks much better, but because I think it's slots are a little bit better. Also, I took too small this board, so it's physically not fitting in here. But this side I think it's much better than before. Actually, also it's feeling like better than before. Okay, this part when I don't know how to connect each point to each point, it's like different topic, different videos. But yeah, it's very important what nozzle I use, because when I use small one, it hit very slow and it was very difficult to do this fast point-to-point soldering, and with this one it's very good. Actually, I ordered from them this type of soldering kit. I want to try it because yeah, this one do not have any regulation, nothing, so it can be a main issue. But let's try to connect it and see that it works. And let's hope to the best. It's on the 3 point. Pretty much all LEDs are working. Pretty bright, I will say. Yeah, maybe it could be better, but still it's much better than this one. Yeah, if I need to rate this soldering and this setup, I think it will be like maybe 4 or 5 of the 10. This was like 1 or 2. Okay, it's not 1, it's 2. It's holding in place, something even working. But yeah, I definitely will train a little bit with those ones, and then we'll try something to take this off and try one more time with this board. So thank you for watching. Please rate how my soldering is improved or not, and see you next one.